let's learn how to do pigeon pose and swan pose in the absolutely stunning lake crescent. So to start with, you're going to want to get into a plank position. Try to stay as stable as possible, even if you are in a moving dog. Now from here, you're going to bring one leg forward like you would in a runner's lunge. Then, from a runner's lunge, you have to move your front leg so that it makes a 90-degree angle. Straighten your back leg as much as possible and point your toes. Then from here, get onto your forearms and then bring your head all the way to the ground. That's pigeon pose. Now from here, we're going to move into swan pose. So, from here, move your front leg, bend it inwards. Then bend your back leg, and instead of just grabbing it from the side, grab it from over top like you would in a back bend. And there you have it, swan pose. Thank you and have a beautiful day.